Hi, my name is Lisa May, and I'm speaking to you today on behalf of all homeowners who are going through financial difficulty when it comes to their home mortgage. We understand the emotional turmoil that you're going through, whether it's the frustration of the loan modification process that's taking months and months with hours spent on the phone, or the anxiety of going through your savings, making a mortgage payment you can no longer afford, or the fear as you fall further and further behind in your payments that you may actually lose your home. And of course, it's not just losing your home, it's the memories that you've created in that home. It's the kids that decided to put soap in the pool to create a giant bubble, the pencil marks you've been making on the door frame as your children grow, the first time you hosted Thanksgiving dinner and your entire family showed up. It's Christmas Day and barbecues. The memories are what's important to us, and that's what your home represents to you. We know that. And that's why we've worked so hard to create a program that will help you keep those memories alive by resetting your mortgage so you can stay in your home. So even if it seems that all else has failed, don't give up, because there is another option available to you. And to explain that more, I'd like to introduce my brother, Bill May.
Thank you, Lisa. Hello, everyone. My name is Bill May, and I'm a realtor with Keller Williams Elite Realty. I consider it an honor to speak to you today and to all homeowners who are experiencing financial difficulty with their home mortgage. And I do know where you're coming from. Those were my kids in the pool with the giant bubble. And unfortunately, even though I've been in the real estate business for over 8 years, we lost our home 3 years ago through the foreclosure process. So don't feel bad. No one's immune. The good news for you is that there are now options available that weren't available to me 3 years ago. So even if you've been denied loan modification or principal reduction, or those programs simply don't work for you, I want you to know that there is hope. With this program, we can lower your monthly payment 25 to 50%. We can eliminate your payments that you've been behind on. We can balance the amount of monies you owe on the property to what the property is currently worth today. Now, this isn't a loan modification or principal reduction. It's a short sale lease back with a repurchase option, or for short, we call it S.L.R.P. Here's how it works. Keeping in mind that every deal is different depending upon the homeowner's needs. We find an investor for the property by listing the home for short sale. Once we find an investor, we require he or she to sign a lease back with repurchase option agreement with you, the homeowner. After the agreement is notarized and signed by both the homeowner and the investor, we submit the offer to the lender and negotiate the short sale. Once the short sale is negotiated, we close escrow and the lease back with purchase agreement goes into effect.
To find out how this would work for your specific situation, you can call Bill toll-free at 1-888-271-5645 so he can answer all your questions on a more personal level. And please remember that time is a real factor in these situations. It's very tempting to put off doing anything because it can be overwhelming. But the sooner you call, the better the chances are that Bill can help you.
Remember, folks, with the S.L.R.P program, we can lower the monthly payment by 25 to 50%. And no more payments in arrears. Even if you have a second mortgage, we can work with you, but you need to call me for details.
So please don't give up hope. Call Bill at 1-888-271-5645. That's 1-888-271-5645, or go to upsidedownmortgage.org. And thank you.
And thank you, and get proactive.